Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Quant Network, Overledger providing the solution. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also check out the Crypto Growth Patreon to support the channel. Anyways, before we begin, you guys can check out the Crypto Growth official partners for your benefit. If you're interested, as far as the exchange is concerned, you guys can check out NXRA, Crypto Growth's official partner for affiliate bonuses, benefits, and discounts. And you can also check out Decent as a wallet partner. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got an attractive $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $129 off only if you follow the link in the description box below in terms of both Decent and MEXE. Anyways, let's see what's happening with QNT in real time, any new information, any new interesting post that we have. So look at this, folks. We've got a new director in the board for QNT. An interesting move over here. The name is David Yates. Look at this. Chair, NED, Technology, Business Services, Payments, PE, Transformation. Let's see what the portfolio of David Yates over here in the official Quant website. David Yates, the board director. David is the former CEO and chairman of UK payment infrastructure Vocalink. He joined Quant's board of directors in October 2024, basically a new employee, a new hire. David has more than 3 decades of leadership experience in payments and financial technology after serving as chief executive of Vocalink between 2012 and 2017, where he led its transformation from a domestic bank-owned infrastructure company into a competitive international business. David successfully negotiated Vocalink's sale to MasterCard. So he is experienced. He has worked with these huge institutions and basically collaborated, or he's also linked with providing solutions to MasterCard and while serving Vocalink, guys. He then served as president of MasterCard's new payment platform. So basically, he also has served MasterCard as well. This is great. David was earlier president at Western Union and First Data. He has served on the boards of WorldPay, Concardis, Equinity, Neum, and eNet. He also worked as operating partner for Advent International, Temasek, and Ceres Capital. Folks, I've seen the Quant team, and it is filled with one of the most experienced people in the payments and fintech space. So this is great. This was a really good post that I found over here. Look at this, some technicals around here. Watch this from Sebastian. Watch this and cancel all the noise around you. The pressure cooker is on. Look at this. Trend line over here. Okay, yeah, the trend lines. But if we rebound well from these levels, only then we are going to be going up, guys. That's for sure. Quant Tether over here. Look at this, the trend line triangle being formed. If it breaks through, I mean, anything can happen. So we should be basically, we should accept that it can break the support as well and go up and break through the resistance as well. Anything can happen. This is the weekly DXY over here. Anything can happen. We should be prepared for both upward momentum and even downward momentum. We should be willing to invest only what we can afford to lose. That's for sure. That's the only true mantra of any investing, guys. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Okay, so some more technicals. Dread Bongo. QNT has held this level for over 3 years now. will be nice to see further token price expansion based on real-world developments and utility soon. It was always supposed to be baked into the baked into the QNT token. Okay, let's see if that happens. Guys, whenever a long accumulation phase goes, the rebound is spectacular, but obviously we should be prepared to lose support as well. We should be mentally prepared for both. It might rebound and break through the resistance lines as it is nothing. It might propel to new heights, but it can also go down and test these other support levels over here. It can happen. It might go to 30s, 25, and these levels. Hopefully not, and I do not believe that it will go that low, to be honest with you, but obviously not financial advice, but we should be prepared for that. I think this is a crucial support level where QNT is right now. It has already suffered a lot. It is already in a long accumulation phase. I think that it will rebound well from these levels. So let's see. I'm not sure who needs to tell you that Overledger provides the solution here. Are you just ignorant if you don't have as many tokens as you find viable? Less token supply than BTC, non-inflationary like BTC. One QNT is one QNT. Look at this. Okay. The image is loading. Or let me just zoom over here to see what's happening. Yeah. Look at this solution overview. Core RLN infrastructure, third-party integrations and business applications, common RLN API layer, RLN API, FAPI messaging and PKI services, common RLN orchestration and programmability layer, state management, programmability, workflow orchestration, including Overledger, guys. This is Quant over here, basically in the background. Quant over here, Bank of England, Rosalind Sandbox, awesome. R3 Coda, digital currencies app. Okay. Look at this. The Bank for International Settlements, BIS, has been pretty supportive of tokenization, promoting the idea of the unified ledger where tokenized assets can be settled with tokenized money. Today, the BIS and Committee on Payments and Markets Market Infrastructures released a report for the G20, which takes an upbeat but sober view on tokenization, highlighting both the opportunities and the risks, as well as the role of central banks. And you know that who's collaborating and trying to solve, give solutions to the banks and these legacy systems. Look at this, another highlighted paragraph over here. The tokenization platform design included consideration of situations where fully pooled governance and a fully shared ledger cannot be assumed, contributing to the broader industry conversation around the development of multinational, multi-asset, multi-issuer, interoperable, programmable ledgers, which can basically connect these legacy systems and connect various chains, various payments institutions, various payment platforms to provide business applications and whatnot, API and orchestration layer, common APIs, foundational capabilities, interoperability and settlement. We're talking about the interoperability, like I told you guys, the bridging of various institutions amongst each others, and Overledger being trying to be that intermediary, that bridge amongst them and settle and provide any solution. Programmability and extensibility, ledger integration, orchestration, and state management, other foundational capabilities, existing ledgers and payment systems, tokenization, programmability, and extensibility, atomicity. Okay. Guys, tokenization is becoming that multi-trillion-dollar industry. I've told you time and again, 16 trillion being a plan to be disrupted by 2030. By programmability and interoperability, we mean the programmable money. We've got CBDCs and other of these tokenized assets, how they will be programmable, how they're going to be providing various solutions, and a project that is interoperable between various blockchains and various legacy systems, that is also required to connect the dots. So this is where QNT comes into play. According to Quant, Stradamus, buy QNT before it is too late. Day 671, defining interoperability, World Economic Forum, Digital Currency Governments Consortium, White Paper Series, World Economic Forum, and all of these institutional giants are now basically considering tokenization, CBDCs. Central banks are considering CBDCs. JP Morgan, BlackRock, they're considering tokenization and all of that stuff. I couldn't agree more. The meme coin mania will bust. Great work. Let's look at this work over here from Clocky. For QNT, an update on the daily chart, we have closed with a higher low than the previous back in the beginning of September. For me, that is a very good sign. We are still waiting for the weekly close, through which we can determine how much time we have left. As long as we stay above $50, we are good. We hit $50 back in the first week of August. Really be pushing the market in their direction. Stay strong and don't lose hope in utility. Yes, we have seen a few projects out there that were labeled as utility, that yeah, indeed they have utility, but truly guys, we haven't seen the true utility of a project and a token yet. True real world utility hasn't been achieved. If we're still in the hype phase and the speculation phase, we never know if if the utility will sustain, if the utility will live up to the mark, live up to the standard. But for if we analyze, if a token is utilized in the way that we have deemed it, that yeah, when institutions use it and the demand for a token grows, demand for a blockchain infrastructure grows, that can be mind-blowing to say the least, but we haven't truly witnessed it yet. I agree with this, and I have seen some complications. If you know, you know, but I will not be about the regulations, SEC appeals and all of that stuff, SEC, basically the crackdown of SEC, but I will not be encouraging the meme coin mania right now. I believe that's a bubble that will eventually just pop. Yeah, at the moment, the meme hypes and the meme coins, a lot of even shit coins, they pump. But for this industry to mature, you cannot rely on an ape face or a dog face for a while if you want to take this industry seriously. This is why I cover these projects that at least have a sense of maturity in them, that they're trying to solve real world issues, practical issues. This is why I like covering these projects, that yeah, they're at least, I do not know about the price action, but they are at least trying for mass adoption and for the people to take this industry seriously, which at the moment sadly is not being taken seriously. That's for sure. I believe that's a bubble that will eventually just pop. Yes, meme coins have been in the market for a while now, but there is so much money in them at the moment, it's sickening. Over 50 billion USD. My plan for Quant is to just DCA slowly at these levels, as I'm not worried. You do you, NFA. Everyone has the right to research, have their own conviction hodls. Nobody can force anyone. Everyone has to research what they think is good for them. But look at this. The potential is certainly there. We never know what happens. But look at this. QNT now versus BNB 2023. Quant. This is support level. Magnificent. This is the BNB coin, Binance coin over here. Support levels over here. And after a sell-off period, obviously after profit taking, Quant has done really well. It can take months, even years, for a project to be in an accumulation, that's for sure. But if the constant developments behind the scene occurs, eventually a project takes off. But it needs, the only criteria is that it continues building behind the scenes, and then it takes off in the bull market, that's for sure. As far as Quant is concerned, let's hope it happens eventually. Yeah. This was a really great post as well, guys. The David Yates, former CEO and chairman of UK Payment Infrastructure, VocaLink, and president of MasterCard's new payment platform, joins Quant. Anyways, what do you guys think about the solutions that Quant and Overledger plan to provide? Do you believe in it or not? I would really like your opinions. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.